Akin tingin ko, wala. Tingin ko walang numero. And I'm speaking not because alam ko sino yung mga kaalyado, but because I've seen the evidence against her and I don't believe that there's a case against her. To impeach her, to disqualify her for 2028, to subvert the will of the people, I don't think there's enough ground for that.
I won't act as Attorney Jimmy kasi ninang ng anak niya si Attorney Jess.
Conflict of interest
Hindi,
ba?
actually, laging tinatanong yan, Senate trial, conviction, Senate votes. Ang layo pa nun eh. Ako ang gusto ko munang pag-usapan, plenary debates. I'm so excited. Ito na naman, kinikilig na naman ako. Gusto ko na naman marinig si Kong Bong Suntay, si Leandro Leviste, Kiko Barzaga.
Oy, nag-swear in na si Kiko Barzaga sa PDP laban.
Yes, because now,
Sabi
they
na siya.
have the ability to ask questions sa plenary floor. Si Paulo Marcoleta, he can only make manifestations.
Teka,
Sa Committee on Justice.
ma-expel naman siya.
Si Kiko.
Oo, dahil
May balita,
for the
may
same
balita.
offense.
Okay, o may iba pa namang DDS Kong. Oh, that's what I'm excited for. So, before we talk
Leandro
about
Leviste.
the Senate trial, di ba?
Parang ayaw niya. Kung Leviste, parang...
He will
ano
not
siya.
vote. No, he will not vote for the impeachment. He has already said it.
Oo.
He came out as
Pero
a
I mean,
DDS Kong.
he does not want to transfer or to jump ship.
To PDP laban.
yeah, oo.
Oh, but yun nga, wag na tayo muna magbilangan ng mga senador.
Yes.
Magtutuos muna ang mga defender ni VP Sara at ang Committee on Justice with Kong Jervy Luistro as the sponsor of the committee report. Siya ang gigisahin.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, yan ang...
Sa plenary.
Wag muna tayo mag-expect sa Senate trial. Next week, Kong Jervil will sponsor the committee report and she will be asked questions. Ako ang inaasahan ko naman, the Duterte family. Kong Pulong, Harold, Omar. Gisahin nyo si Kong Jervil. Pakita nyo na piglalaban niyo yung Duterte family.
Pero hindi niya magigisa yun kasi hawak niya yung beat.
Ang gusto ko lang dagdag, Mami Chu, kanina nakita ko may article na lumabas sa Abante na dinagdagan daw ang budget ng mga kongresista in time for this impeachment hearing at aakyat daw to 1 billion per month ang budget for
Totoo ba 1
congressmen.
billion a month?
So, dapat din bantayan yan. Kasi, di ba, nung unang impeachment, meron nang nagsabi na may kapalit na pera yung pagboto sa
150
impeachment.
million lang yun noon per vote.
Di kaya kasali yung systems loss natin dyan.
Teka muna. Ako ang may last word dyan.
Sige po.
Yung pangalan, Pulong,
Pulong, Harold, Omar.
Ay,
Mga
mga-
congressmen.
Mga Duterte.
Committee de Silencio yung mga yun eh. Members ng Committee de Silencio. So, what do you expect?
Ikaw na nagsabi, Mami Chu.
Since na
Hindi
mga
ako.
Maybe no
outlooks-
longer,
Oo.
no? Because of this issue.
Yes, yes.
Maybe no longer.
My expectation,
Wala
Mami
sila
Chu.
sinasabi, napaka-Committee de Silencio
Hindi,
sila.
kasi nga, Committee on Justice, you cannot make questions.
Bakit siya pinayagan ni
Manifestation sila.
Limited manifestations.
So, kung talagang Duterte sila, pamilya Duterte, magtanong naman sila sa plenary floor.
Tanong natin si Kong tuloy, Attorney Paulo, are you frustrated with your congressmen? They are not even taking...
Congressman ko kasi si Miro Kimbo. taga Marikina ako eh. Sa akin, walang point. Kasi pre-judge na eh. Pero may
But
magandang
at
point
least you have tried.
may magandang point si Attorney Poa the other day. Sabi niya, sige, mag-a-attend kami.
He
Pero-
did, di ba? He did attend.
Pero when he was subpoenaed,
Yes.
pero in his capacity as
Poa in his own
former
capacity.
DepEd official. Ngayon, sabi niya, sige, attend kami. Pero hindi naman pala sila binibigyan ng mga documents beforehand. So, paano nila maaaral yun? How can they intelligently question the witnesses if they're not given the documents beforehand? Tapos, ito naman specific to Madriaga kasi ito yung talagang sinubaybayan ko.
Oh, ikaw in charge yun
Yung House Justice Committee members themselves, pinagbawalan mag-probing question. So ano pang punto pala na magpupunta doon si VP Sara kung hindi niya rin mapoprobing questions itong si Madriaga? Hindi niya rin masusukat yung credibility sa hearings na yun.
What do you think, Attorney Jess?
Correct. Kasi nga, sinasabi ko lagi, di ba, inquisitorial ang due process dapat sa House. So, hindi naman talaga yan dapat yung matagal eh. Pero, yung probing question, sa Senate na yan eh. So, dapat mag-hearing lang for purposes of probable cause and then vote on it.
But,
Tsaka, natatandaan ko, Attorney Jess, sa iyo ata nang galing yung mini trial eh. Diba? Dito ata yun eh.
Kasi nga, kinikilig ako.
Dito
Di ba,
ata
kinikilig
yun
ako
eh.
lahat ng mga sinabi ko noon. Nagkatotoo
Pag
naman
na-void
eh.
yun, kasalanan mo.
Love me or hate me, it happened.
We love you, we love you.